What is up, guys? I'm the GM Man. We are back with another video. So today's video is going to be a little bit frustrating for me. As you know, this is my 98. I love this truck to death, but I've been having some electrical problems with it. And what I mean is, on the inside, you can tell it's all tore apart. These trucks are known for these switches going bad, so this switch has been replaced, as you can tell. But my fuse, what number is it? Parking lamps right here, number 9, 20 amp fuse. Number 9, 20 amp fuse keeps blowing. I was driving it home the other day, pulled in the driveway. I noticed I didn't have any cluster lights. So when this fuse blows, your cluster lights go out. I don't have any tail lights, and basically like my running lights or the parking lamps, which are these ones here and the other two on the bottom, go out. I still have headlights and my turn signals and everything still work, but these bulbs here don't glow and I don't have tail lights. So everything's wired together on this one fuse. So I'm not sure. Like I said, the switch has been replaced before. I don't think it's the switch. I ordered new LED lights for the cluster. That should be here. What's today? I don't even know what today is. Today is the 6th. I think they said they were going to be here like the 12th, the 10th to the 12th. So we are going to hopefully get those changed out. I have new cab lights and everything coming as well. But today we're going to try and solve the problem. I don't know if I got a ground wire that's touching somewhere, but I basically want to tell you guys what's going on. I'm not going to record the whole thing because it is going to be a mess and probably very frustrating just trying to find it, and it's just going to be a lot of boring footage. So I was going to give you guys a little update, and then if I find it, I'll bring you guys back and we'll talk about it then. Okay guys, we're back. So basically what I did is I pulled these marker lights out. I was inspecting like the plugs themselves, making sure there's no bare wires rubbing on anything. So on this one, I noticed it was cracked. As you can tell, like it's pretty gnarly broke. And then, I don't know how well you guys will be able to see it if the camera will focus. No, I don't think it's gonna focus on it, but right on this little black wire where the tip of my finger is, yep, you can kind of see the copper showing. So I don't know if that's causing an issue, but then this here, my ground, I put this on because, as you can tell, I scuffed that up. When I got my truck back from being rebuilt, they didn't have it hooked up, so I had to rehook that up. But I don't know if this one here is causing a problem or what the deal is. So I'm going to go ahead and probably order a new one of these plugs. I might just go ahead and get all 4 new ones, splice them all together. Same with this side. Splice them all together and then see if that fixes it. If not, then I guess we'll be going to plan B, and I'm not sure what plan B is at this time. So that's what I found. I'm probably gonna go ahead and order a new one of these, like grill guards, or I don't know what you even want to call this. The grill, I know this is the grill, but like the grill bezel, if that makes sense. I'm gonna get rid of the chrome, and then also I have a custom grill I got made for the truck. So that will probably be another video. I'm probably gonna do a review on the grill here soon. And then once I get the new grill bezel in, I'm gonna pull this one off, put the grill in the grill bezel, and then I'll put the new one and the new grill all back on the truck. I'll probably keep this one just as a backup, but I'm not a big fan of the chrome up here. It's real cheap. It's basically like a wrap they put on. It's real oxidized and it's just not my style. So I'm gonna probably get an all black one, and then I'll tape everything up, paint this the blue to match, and then put the new grill and everything in it. But as far as that goes, I'm gonna try and figure out this electrical. I don't think it's gonna be anything to do with the inside of the dash, but I am not 100% sure. I'm not real good with electrical. I can do like speakers and stuff like that, but when it comes down to trying to find problems like this, I might just end up taking to somebody if these don't work. But that's just a little update. I'm gonna keep looking here, and if I come across anything else, I'll bring you guys back. So I put everything back together. I didn't find anything else. I looked for probably another 10 to 15 minutes, didn't find anything. As far as the build goes on the 98, people keep asking me if I'm going to do anything else with the motor. Probably not. It's a 355. It's got heads on it, true duals all the way to the back, 4-inch tips. Someone hit my mirror. That's cool, but okay. Like I said, I'm going to probably change out this front grill piece and everything. I got 2 new doors for it, but I'm not going to replace this door. It's in good shape. I'm going to replace this glass. As you can see, there's a lot of scratches on it. The other glass I have is in perfect condition, so it's going to go in there. And then basically cab corners, inner and outer rocker panels probably. I got a whole new bed for it. I'm going to coat the frame front to back. I'm going to sandblast the new bed, coat it, so basically this truck will last. I'm going to change out the door handle on this side as well, so it's not chrome. And put a cowl hood on it. As far as this door goes, a lot of you know I dented this in, as you can kind of tell. Yeah, there you go. You can see the giant dent right there. I picked up the new door for it. The new door is rusted out down here at the bottom, and the same with this side. But the new door, I picked up panels for already. I'm going to go ahead and replace all this in here, and then I'm going to take it probably someplace and get it painted. I figured it'd be easier just to cut out the old metal on the new door for it and weld in all new, instead of spending 10 hours trying to get this all pulled out, get it lined up just right. And then there's a dent. If you rub your hand along here, you can feel a dent as well, so I'd have to pull it out and get it all fixed. And I really don't want to mess with that. I figured I'd just go down there, fix it, fix the 2 little dings on it, like here and then here on that other door, and then basically paint that new door and put it on here. That's basically it for this video. Oh, there is going to be a giveaway coming up. I'm going to be doing a giveaway with Oxbeam on, I'm not sure when yet, but it's going to be 2 LED pods and a light bar. So basically what you're going to do is spend $10 on my website. I'm getting t-shirts made, by the way. Spend $10 on my website, you'll get an entry, and then I'm going to probably make it to where you can get a free entry if you share my YouTube channel and tag me on Instagram. You'll get 1 free entry that way. But I'll give you more details as we get closer to the date and stuff, and when I get the t-shirts in. But that's basically it for the video. Hopefully I can get that lighting situation figured out, get those plugs all changed, get the new grill and everything in, and the 98 is going to be going. So remember, guys, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'm the GM man. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. Show the love. Give me a thumbs up. Let's try and get 500 thumbs up on this video, and we're going to keep the content rolling. Stay tuned, guys, and I will see you soon. Peace.